Okay, hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and happy new year, happy 2024. And this year is the year that I say that I will be consistent on my YouTube channel, which I hope I will. I really hope so. But anyways, happy new year, and I hope all of you are doing well, and I hope all your dreams, I know not all but some of them, came to pass this 2024. And if not, continue trying your best. And if you're new to my YouTube channel and you have seen this face for the first time, please, I welcome you to this channel. This is like a very useful space where you can get information. You can ask me anything. Like, I talk about everything. But I don't give people a job. That's something that I don't know why most of you don't get to understand. I don't give people a job. I just share information, and if the information that I share can help you in one way or the other, then I'm happy to do that. And as well, I do content about makeup and hair and travel content as well. So please be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, and engage on the comment section. Like I was saying, make sure you support me on this kind of content, travel content, everything that I do on this channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. We are in 2024 together. If you subscribe to my YouTube channel since day one and you're watching this video today in 2024, I'm so grateful, guys. And make sure you also join my YouTube membership, where you will get information that I don't get to share on this public side. And those kind of information are something to do with the freelance visa in Qatar, and also how to write your CV for cruise ship jobs or any particular job. So on today's video, I'm going to, I've gotten this question a lot, and anyway, I was going to share this kind of video as well. I've gotten this question on how did I get my Turkey visa from Qatar. Yeah, I got my Turkey visa from Qatar, and I was in Turkey, and now I'm back in Qatar, back in reality. And I'm happy to share with you on how you can apply for the Turkish visa. It's almost the same as other visas, but each and every country has their own rule. Yes, so how to apply for the Turkey visa from Qatar, and I'm going to talk about the requirements. I'm going to talk about who is eligible to apply for the visa, and how long is the process of the visa, and so many things. And I got my visa within 2 days, guys. I got my visa in 2 days. My visa was out. First, we are going to talk about who is eligible to apply for that visa. So everyone is eligible to apply for the visa. If you are here in Qatar, you are a resident, you are working here, you are eligible to apply for the Turkey visa. So yeah, like I was saying, anyone is eligible. If you are working in Qatar, or if you're a resident in Qatar, you are eligible to apply for the visa. But the first thing is, you first need to have a job, at least to show an income that you're going to come back to Qatar. Like, there is something, like you have to prove to them that there is something that will bring you back to Qatar. Second of all, that's why I said who is eligible to apply. Everyone is eligible, but also you need to have a salary of 5,000 riyals. So if your salary is below 5,000 riyal, then you cannot apply for the Turkish visa. Sorry, because they used to take even 4,000 riyal, but now you have to have a salary of 5,000 and above. And then, how much bank statement do you need to present? So these are the documents you need to present. You need like a bank statement, you need a letter from your employer to show that, like an NOC, that you come back to Qatar. You also need your resident permit, which has to be valid 3 months before you come back to Qatar. And so let's say if you're in Turkey and your ID, oh, if you're applying for a Turkey visa and your ID is expiring in the next 3 months or 1 month, you cannot apply. You have to renew the ID before you travel. It has to have a validity of at least 3 months or 6 months, yeah, like your passport. To be on the safe side, at least go with 6 months or even more if you can. And you need to have a passport, you need to have you have to have a valid passport, a resident permit, and a 3 months bank statement. Your bank statement needs to be 3 months, and a passport photo, and also a balance on your bank statement. You need to have a balance of 10,000. Sorry guys, so noisy. Yeah, so many things going behind me. Anyway, sorry. Whew. That's why I like doing indoors video. Anyway, so you need to you must be earning 5,000, and you have to present a 3 months bank statement and a balance on that bank statement. You need to have a balance of 10,000 Qatar riyals and above, not below. Something that is below than that, it has to be all maybe if you are going there with let's say for example if you're working in Qatar as a house help and you're traveling with your sponsor, I mean your bosses, then you don't need to present something like that. They will be your sponsor. Or if you are married, you don't need to present that. Your husband will be your sponsorship. But if you are traveling there as a tourist and you are going there alone, then or if you are married, then you have to, at least your husband needs to show that you are going together, and you are going to present your husband bank statement, because he will be your your sponsor for that trip, so you don't have to worry. But if you're going there alone, individually, like how I went by myself, then you have to have a salary of 5,000, and then you need, the bank statement needs to have 10,000 balance before you apply for that visa. And also your passport has to be valid like for 6 months. It has to be valid for 6 months. I mean expiring, if it's expiring within a month, then you can't apply. It has to be 6 months. So make sure you check that before you go to apply, because they will deny you the visa if your a resident permit is expiring soon, and your passport as well. So make sure you check all those things before you go to apply. And then something else you need to also show, like I said, a bank statement here and a balance of 10,000 riyals, and then NOC from your company. So this means that your sponsor needs to write a no obligation certificate that they are letting you go for this vacation, and you're going to come back from this day to this day. I don't know, if I get the chance, I'm going to share the kind of NOC that you need to present, but your current employer needs to write a NOC to say that you're going to travel and come back.
Sorry.
Hi. Yeah, they need to write an NOC to, so if your employer can do that, please let them write for you the. So your employer needs to write. That, and then also he needs to mention on that NOC how much salary you are getting every month. That's why I said it has to be 5,000 riyals, and he needs to mention that. Like, let's say for example, they will write, this is satisfied that Julia is working with this company from this date to this date, and she's earning this certain salary of, let's say, 5,000. The reason we are writing this NOC is because she's applying for a tourist visa to go to Istanbul, or I mean to go to Turkey, and she will be returning on this date. And this is to assure you that she will be back on this date. So if you have an employer in Qatar, they definitely know what to write. And then another thing that you need to present also is a travel insurance, which is a must. You need to have a travel insurance. So the good thing about this center where you're going to take your documents for the Turkey visa, because you don't go to the embassy, the good thing, these people can do this, they can do everything for you. They can take for you the passport photo, they can give you the hotel reservation, they can give you the insurance, and they can do for you a dummy ticket, because you need to have also a hotel reservation and a flight reservation as well. So everything will cost more if you do in their office, but if you can do everything for yourself, like no, it's okay, no, it's okay. Yeah, so it's better you do with them to make your work easier. So if you don't know anything, just go to their global center there. I will mention the global center by the end of this video. I cannot remember the name, but I will check on Google in a while. So they can give you the flight reservation, they can give you the hotel reservation, they can give you the travel insurance, and then they can also give you they can take a picture of you, but of course you'll pay for all these things. But the certificate mentioning your salary and the day that you will come back after your vacation, you need to get it from your employer. And also the 3 months bank statement, you need to go to a bank to get the 3 months bank statement. It has to be 3 months and it has to have a balance of 10,000 riyals. You just have to go to the bank and then the bank will give you the 3 months bank statement. And the visa price, let me give you it varies. Like if you're going to get the hotel reservation and the flight reservation and the insurance by yourself, the visa price might be let's say like 600 riyals, something there. But if they're going to do everything for you there, like to give you the reservation, flight reservation, hotel reservation, the insurance and the passport photo, then you might end up paying a price of 1,000 riyals for everything. So that's the total amount of the visa price. Turkey visa is very expensive, by the way. Turkish visa is the most expensive visa that I know. So Turkish visa is like Schengen visa. So the way, if you have ever applied for a Schengen visa, is the same way you'll apply for a Turkish visa. So the process is almost similar. Like you have to have everything that you'll apply for a Schengen visa is the same thing you'll apply for the Turkish visa. So how many days does it take for you to get your visa? So they will tell you there within 2 days. There is no any email that they will send you. They might send you so when you go to apply, after submitting your documents and everything, and after paying for the visa fee, then they will tell you, because you will present your number, you give them your number, so they will tell you, they will send you a message on when you can go to take your visa. But usually it takes like 2 days. Mine took 2 days. Within 2 days I had my visa. So that's the process of the Turkish visa. I'm going to go back again very fast with everything. Yeah, so guys, I hope I'm clear with everything. Like I said, everyone is eligible to apply for the Turkey visa, but you have to also check with them. You have to go to their office and check if the salary that you are getting, you are allowed to apply for the Turkey visa. You have to have a monthly salary of 5,000 riyals and above. Something below than that, you get denied for the visa. And also, how much bank statement do you need to present? It has to be 10,000 balance, and it has to be like 3 months bank statement. And the documents you are required to present, it's your valid passport, your valid resident permit, 3 months bank statement, passport photo, and a certificate mentioning your current job. I mean your current a certificate from your employer mentioning your current job position, and from which date to which date did you start working with that company, and also the day that you are going to travel and the day that you are going to come back. And then travel insurance, itinerary. By the way, you also have to show itinerary. I forgot to mention this. On what are you going to do in Turkey? You're not going to stand on the road. Why are you going to Turkey? What are you going to do there? So you have to present itinerary. And if you want me to help you with that, I was there, I wrote my itinerary, and I was there also. I can write for you an itinerary, not for free. Exactly. Hotel reservation. And by the way, guys, I can apply for you for a Turkey visa at a free cost. Like I can do the process for you. I can get you the hotel reservation. I can get you the flight reservation. I can get you the travel insurance, and I can make for you the itinerary. So Rather than you going to an agent to get charged more money, I can do that for you, of course at a fee, but mine will be affordable, I promise you. So guys, that's it. You can ask me any question down below if you have any question like regarding this particular topic about how can you apply for a Turkey visa, and if you're in Qatar and you want to apply for a Turkey visa, everything about Turkey visa you can ask me. Like, please don't ask irrelevant question, because that way the YouTube algorithm might, you know, get confused with my video. That's what I'm trying to say. So please be sure to ask me question about Turkey. And like I said on my previous video that I was in Turkey, there are so many things I want to share about Turkey, about job, how you can go to Turkey. By the way guys, you can go to Turkey to work, you can go to Turkey to study. Turkey is a very beautiful country, you can do a lot of things. So ask me any question about Turkey. If you have tried Qatar and it's not working, I mean if you have tried Middle East and it's not working, there are jobs in Turkey. So I'm going to share a lot of things about Turkey because I was there. I'm going to share the vlogs of places to go if you're planning to visit Turkey, what places to visit. So be sure to watch my vlogs as well. So let me just check very quick. So guys, like I said, I will mention where to apply for the Turkey visa from Qatar. So if you're in Qatar, you don't go to the Turkish embassy. There is like a global center that you go to. They apply visa for Turkey, you can apply visa for I think so many countries, but I'm not sure. It's not VFS, not VFS. Don't go to VFS. Go to this place called Mosaic Visa Center. They apply for different, you can just go walk in. The good thing about the Turkey visa, you don't need to book an appointment. You can just go, and if you are ready to apply for a visa, just go to the global center and submit your documents. So make sure you have all the documents. Make sure your salary is 5,000. Make sure you have a bank balance of 10,000 and above. If you have any question, please ask me on the comment section. I'll be happy to reply to you. If you need consultation as well, make sure to hit me up on the email that I will share down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Yeah guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, like do everything on the comment section, and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye. See you.